Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a KFC style cauliflower fry. For this, take a medium sized cauliflower and separate it as florets. Fill water till the cauliflower is completely immersed and add half a teaspoon of salt. Now bring it to a boil. Let this boil for around 2 or 3 minutes, not more than that. The blanched cauliflower is ready. We can take it out now. Set this aside. Next we'll prepare the masala. Take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1½ teaspoon of chilli powder, the required amount of salt, 1 teaspoon of peri powder, this is optional, and 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Give a nice mix. Next we are going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. Initially add a little buttermilk and give a nice mix. This will help you to avoid lumps. Make sure no lumps are there and add the rest of the buttermilk. So the masala buttermilk is ready. Now soak the blanched cauliflower in this. Let this sit for around 25 to 30 minutes. So our cauliflower is ready. Set this aside. Next, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. To this add the required amount of salt, that is around half a teaspoon, and give a nice mix. This is the masala buttermilk that we prepared to soak the cauliflower. You can add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of this and give a nice mix. Adjust this masala till the flour becomes flaky. This is almost done. This is crumbled well. Make sure this is crumbled well. If you crumble this well, you will get a nice flaky texture when fried. Now let us take the marinated cauliflower and roll this on the prepared flour. Give a nice coating. All the coated cauliflower florets are ready to be get fried. Fry them in a hot oil in medium flame. Turn and cook both sides properly. Now cook till the outer layer is crispy. Our cauliflowers are ready. We can take it out now. The KFC style cauliflower fry is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.